Today's vlog, guys, let's talk about Saipan. Saipan Island, one of the Marianas Island and part of the Northern Mariana Islands, Commonwealth of the United States, in the Western Pacific Ocean. The island is hilly, rising to an elevation of 1,545 feet at Mount Tapuchao. It is 14 miles long and 5 miles wide across and its widest point. Broad inlets are on both its sides. The smaller island of Tinian lies immediately southwest across the Pacific Channel. The seat of government of the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands is on Saipan. The executive and legislative branches are headquartered at Capitol Hill, and the judiciary meets at Susupi. Saipan was under Spanish sovereignty from 1565 to 1899 and came under German rule from 1899 to 1914. It was made a Japanese mandate in 1920. During World War II, the successful U.S.-led Allied invasion and capture of the island, June-July 1944, was one of the fiercest land battles in the Pacific War during World War II. Some 3,500 U.S. troops died in the fighting, and nearly all of the 30,000 Japanese defenders were killed. During the fight, thousands of Japanese civilians also died, many jumping to their death of Banzai Cliff at the northern end of the island rather than face capture. Saipan became an important military airbase during the last war and between 1953 and 1962. Dito po ako ngayon nakatira for almost 3 decades, more than 3 decades, and I consider this island as my second home. I have many ups and downs in this island. So if you want this video, please like, comment, share, and follow for more. Thank you for watching, guys.